Welcome back to Cooking with Shotgun Red, and I'm Sheila.
I'm Jennifer.
You know, Steve used to use his Dutch oven all the time.
And we love to cook with it too. And so we got a perfect recipe for you to go in it, and we're going to show you what we do. So we've got our Dutch oven here on medium heat.
We are starting out with 4 cups of chicken broth.
And then
4 cups of water.
Just pour those in there. And then we're going to add
bone-in chicken thighs.
And this is skin and all. And this is about 5 of them. And I really like using the bone-in because it adds a lot of flavor. You can use the boneless, skinless, or whatever makes it easy for you.
We will get that boiling.
So now we'll go ahead and season up the broth and meat.
1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of onion powder.
We'll just sprinkle that in there. And then we're going to add
1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper.
Yeah. And then
1 medium diced onion. We gotta have our onion.
Absolutely. Sweet onion at that.
And 3 to 4 large carrots sliced.
And if you guys are loving these easy recipes, don't forget to give us that thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and ring that bell, and we'll notify you every time we come out with a new recipe.
3 sticks of chopped celery.
We'll just kind of mix that up a little bit. Going to add a lot of flavor to this.
Finally, 2 cubes of chicken bouillon.
And that's optional. You don't have to add the chicken bouillon, but I like to.
So we will cover it and let it cook. This has been on a low boil for about 30 minutes.
Look at that. And those look pretty good.
Real tender.
Yes.
So now we will take the chicken thighs out and place them in a pan to cool.
And once we get them cooled off and over here, we can go ahead and start slicing them up.
We will gently peel the skin back and remove the meat from the bone.
Yeah, we'll just do all that. And look, it just falls off the bone. It's delicious. Super easy. So once we get those separated,
now that we have all the meat deboned, we will add it back to the broth. Now we don't need the bones in here for sure.
Lots of good meat though. So now that that's back in,
then we are adding 2 cans of cream of chicken soup. We love our cream of chicken soup.
Oh yeah, and that's going to help thicken it up also. But I prefer more of a liquid broth, not too thick, so this will be perfect for this.
So we will just mix that into the chicken broth.
And once we get that mix, we turn it back to medium heat.
Now we're using Grand's biscuits. We will prepare those for the dumplings.
And these are Southern style Grand's biscuits.
We took each biscuit and cut them into quarters.
And we made sure to leave this can in the refrigerator till we were ready to do this, so it stayed nice and cold. So we've got these diced up into quarters, which is super easy because there's no flour to mess with, no mess.
So now we will start adding the dumpling pieces.
Pop them in. But you just want to make sure that you've got it back up to a low boil before you do.
Just lay those in there on top.
Yeah. And you don't have to do anything. Just put them in.
You don't need to stir it. You just make sure they aren't sticking together. We will cover it and let it cook for about 10 minutes on medium-low.
And try not to open the lid and peek.
It's been 10 minutes and it looks like they're done. Look how good they look.
It does.
I love these. Oh, I can't wait to try these.
Yum.
So I'm going to check it out with a toothpick here.
Comes out clean. Looks good to me.
It's ready.
It is. All right.
Oh, can't wait. Such comfort food.
Oh, yeah. And so easy to make.
Look at all those dumplings and yummy pieces of chicken.
When it's cold out, perfect.
Put some more in that bowl.
Yes.
This is such an easy way to make this dish.
It is.
I mean, pretty easy, quick.
Oh, yeah.
After you get off work, come in, just go ahead and make you some. It smells wonderful. It really smells good.
And as it cools, it should thicken up a little bit more, but I like it just like this.
I like this. It's going to be tasty.
Yes, it is.
As Steve would say, is this the best?
Easy chicken and dumplings with canned biscuits you've ever tried?
If it ain't, it ought to be.
We'll see you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Bye.
Well, that's She and Jen, them 2 girls having too much fun. We hope you enjoy this recipe, and we really hope you subscribe to our channel. That's easy. Little Shotgun Red's face will pop up over here in a little bit. When you click on it, it'll say subscribe, then you're subscribed. Next to it will be a little notification bell. If you click that little bell, then YouTube will send you every single one of our recipes or a notification that we posted one as soon as it comes out. See you next time, right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Is this the best? If it ain't, it ought to be.